Hi, my name's Ava and today I'm going to find out the true meaning behind the quote, "All you need is love." I don't know the answer myself, so I've decided to go out and ask my friends what they think. What is the one thing you love, makes you most happy, and why?
I just love working out and being fit, like lifting weights. It makes me feel stronger and more energized to take on the day.
I'm on a mission today to find out the meaning behind the saying, "All you need is love." If this statement is true, then what would you say is the one thing that you love the most and why?
I would probably have to say cooking and being in the kitchen because I love getting creative and making people great tasting food.
Well, that's easy. That would have to be my Xbox, man. Love Modern Warfare, shooting dudes, mad headshots. It's quality meat time,
Come on, come on! Come on, I shot you! Oh, come on! Die already, come on! Bull! Oh my god! Oh my god! What are you doing? Get out! Well, I'm not sure I got the answer I was looking for after all of that. I guess it just comes down to a matter of opinion and your needs, and finding out what those needs are.